Hola muchachos, ¿qué tal? Buenos días. Hoy es viernes, el 13 de noviembre. La pregunta para el warm-up para hoy es ¿cómo eres? What three adjectives would you use that best describe you? That is your warm-up question for this morning. We're going to dive into chapter 1b today. Chapter 1b, all about you and describing you and those that are close to you. But before we get into Chapter 1b, just to wrap up the assignment that was due for today, the assessment for Chapter 1a, the presentation about your likes and dislikes, where you have 3 activities to talk about what you like. Excuse me, not 3, 5 activities to talk about what you like a lot, 5 activities what you like modestly, and then 5 activities what you don't like at all. If you look at the assignment in Canvas, I created a video that walks you through how to go about that. So please make sure that you have that turned in for today. Click here and it'll take you to Quizlet. So you can refer to this to practice the key vocabulary for Chapter 1b. Click here where it says Chapter 1b Vocab Organizer, and that'll open up a Word document that you can amend and use to guide you through this chapter. You can see here all the vocabulary on the left-hand side, and then key grammar expressions on the right-hand side. All right, so that's for you to refer to and organize the notes that we're going to go over today. We have some listening practice that we're going to do. Video historia, video, and then comprehension questions, and then your homework for next class is the ¿Y tú qué dices? Numbers 1 through 3 on page 53. So let's go ahead and take a look at the rest of this agenda. Here you have all the key vocabulary on pages 50 and 51. All right, there we are. So here you have all the key vocabulary on pages 50 and 51. Key vocabulary focused on descriptive adjectives. Some of these might be familiar to you already. A lot of these, nonetheless, are cognates, words that look like, sound like, and have the same meaning as another word in another language. We call those cognates. Cognates look like, sound like, and have the same meaning as another word in another language. Page 50 and 51 give you those descriptive adjectives. The listening practice that we're going to do, which you can do as well on your e-textbook, is excuse me, indicate whether the prompts that you hear refer to Marcos or Sarita on page 50, those two characters. Based on the descriptions you hear, are they describing Marcos or Sarita? And then exercise 2 are descriptions about Luz. And according to those descriptions, are the descriptions true, cierto, or false, falso? The next activity we're going to do is a video where we have Esteban, Pedro, Claudia, and Teresa are exchanging emails to one another, pen pals from different parts of the Spanish-speaking world. Claudia goes by the pen name of Chica Misteriosa, and Teresa goes by the pen name Chica Sociable. Based on these descriptions here below, which description fits Chica Sociable and which description fits Chica Misteriosa? And you're going to use the video script to guide you through based upon what they say, the descriptions that they make of themselves. And remember, Claudia is Chica Misteriosa and Teresa is Chica Sociable. Your homework questions are on page 53. Using the script here on pages 52 and 53, find 5 cognates in the script and write what you think they mean in English. Find 5 words that look like, sound like, and have the same meaning in English. Cognates. Write an activity that goes with each of these characteristics. Sociable, If someone is sociable, what's an activity that they would like to do? Estudiosa and trabajador. And then lastly, according to you, ¿qué te gusta más? Usar la computadora o hablar por teléfono. Just indicate which of those two you prefer most, just like what you were doing in the previous chapter. And that is your agenda for Viernes, el 13 de noviembre, Friday the 13th. Be safe, everybody. Nos vemos en la clase.